Time to repair the gate. Dry ride. We're gonna rebuild it up. Stay tuned. It's all leaning. Time to fix it back. Swing by. Getting that interstate gate together over here. Big muscle man, damn, you know.
Hey, this my breaker bar.
Chop suey, man.
Well, they pulled a big, they pulled it wide right here.
Uh-huh. Finally broke loose.
Boom.
Finally out. We working. Let's go.
Put
And
the
with the
saw
new
up there. Put the saw.
Cement all mixed up.
The fuck? You right about this one. They ain't put no goddamn cement.
Straight right. Pulled another one up.
Oh, digger.
Number 3.
What time is it?
Early. Number 3 came out. We still going.
Oh, let me see where we at.
Look at that.
We already there.
Let me get on the end of this shovel. Jeez. Finishing up. All 3 in. Putting it back together this morning. All done. Complete. Swing by. Handyman. Time to repair and paint new woods in. Time to strip it down to get it going. We putting chocolate down tonight, y'all.
Yeah, that shit's thick.
Yeah, this shit real thick. Yeah, man, we're gonna set up a meeting, man. Dion, he don't come out the house on the weekends.
Time to look ahead and hit the rest of these steps. Rails are done. Let's go.
Come out while I was painting base one day, and he was like, man, I hate it when they do these carpet, when they do it straight to carpet